Hey you guys, you know what time it is? It's 5 Minute Friday, where I'm gonna give you a recap of the week in 5 minutes or less. I'm getting really good at this, can you tell? So, earlier this week we did drugstore finds, and I went out and I got a few drugstore items and tried them for the first time on screen, on video, and I pretty much liked all three that I got. So hopefully if any of you have had the chance to watch it, watch it. If you haven't, watch it, try the products, and let me know what you think. For the second video of the week, we did a review, or kind of just my favorites on Sigma brushes. And you guys, they're really awesome brushes. So hopefully if you haven't tried them, you'll get a chance to try them. And if you'd like, you can use my code DAR20. And the link is in the description below, so you can click that link, put in the code DAR20, and it gives you a 20% discount. As for updates, you guys know that I'm all about new launches and new products and just what's up with the trends. First of all, this summer, vitamin C is your friend. Vitamin C, retinol. There's so many products that are coming out that are actually vitamin C and retinol together that you can use during the day. So that's a big one. Then Pixi Beauty, I said it in my last video. If you guys wanted to see any reviews on that, they came out with 4 facial oils. So I'm gonna check those out, and you might be seeing those in a video. And thirdly, ColourPop has collaborated with Shayla, or Shayla collaborated with ColourPop, however you want to look at it. But there is a whole set. She did a whole collection coming out, and I'm super interested in it. So hopefully I'll get my hands on that and I can show it to you, because they look so beautiful. I mean, yes, they're neutrals and there's a pop of color here and there for the palette, but she's got a palette, 2 blushes, and then a lip liner and a liquid lip, 2 sets of those for the collection. So I am interested in that, and hopefully I can show it to you. I did want to mention our giveaway. So in my last video, I talked about Sigma brushes and that we are doing a giveaway at our milestone of 300 subscribers. You guys, we're so close. And if you're subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're not, please hit the subscribe button, because that'll just get us closer. When I hit that 300 mark, if you're subscribed, I'll give you the details once we get there. Once we hit that 300 mark, I'm going to do a Sigma brush set giveaway. So I hope your week was fabulous, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.